Speaking of the situation over there, apparently Russian influencers are very upset because as of Monday, today is Monday. Remember the beginning of the show?
Yep.
Big Monday. As of today, Instagram has been shut down in Russia, not by Instagram or Facebook, but actually by Russia, I believe. And you have some massive Russian influencers that are losing, well, their following. And here we have a reality TV star, Olga Bezova, who cried while saying goodbye to her 23.3 million followers on Instagram. Mm-hmm. Some Russian influencers have bid tearful farewells to their fans following their country's Instagram ban. The influencers have asked their fans to follow them on other social media platforms like Telegram and VK. Now, here's the, they're not getting sympathy from everyone. A lot of their fans are upset and they're saying, this is brutal. But then others are saying, wait, you're crying about losing followers while your government is invading Ukraine and people are losing their lives or their loved ones and not followers on a social media app. Now, I don't necessarily think it's one or the other. I think it sucks for everybody. I don't think it's as simple as saying it can't also suck for them. It sucks for them in a different way, but it also sucks for them.
Could she use a VPN? Would that
I
solve
don't
it?
think she's willing to take that risk. It's a pretty high-profile account with 23 million. If the Russian government were to find out she was still posting through a VPN, I would think she'd be in some serious trouble. She may have even got direct contact. She may have even been visited, saying don't try to post anymore. And for the record, even if she was to use a VPN and post and maybe leave Russia, let's say, if she could, then the majority of her fans are going to be Russian. And then she's going to be asking them to break the rules to look at her account. Which, do you really want to recommend that to your fans when the government has taken a stand on it? Probably not.
What if she gives the account to someone to control?
In North America?
Yeah.
Controlling.
She could still run her business.
Well, but like I said, her customers, her followers are in Russia. They can't log on to her account. They can't keep using Instagram. I mean, if she had a global audience, so maybe she may have a somewhat global, but you see the top comments on her post, it's all Russian language. Now, she's not the only one. You can scroll down. Many have cried. Many are on here crying. I am not afraid of admitting that I do not want to lose you, she said in Russian. I just shared my life, my work, and my soul. I did not do this all as a job for me. This is part of my soul. So it's also this type of thing where a lot of people, social media becomes their kind of default existence. I'm not saying that's a good thing, as is evidenced in this scenario, but it's not as simple as saying, oh, it's just another business. The person has their name on the account. They have their memories on that account. They've invested in that account. Their experiences might be on that account. Connections internationally, globally, friends, things like that will be on that account. So I think people feel like they're losing even more than their ability to do business. And it can have a more emotional effect on people. But anyway, there's a couple of others here. I think, let's see. Here's a message from Adam Mosseri, who is from Instagram. On Monday, Instagram will be blocked in Russia. This decision will cut 80 million in Russia off from one another and from the rest of the world, as 80% of the people in Russia follow an Instagram account outside their country. This is wrong. So it's not, that to me indicates what we were thinking, that it's not from Instagram's side. It's from the Russian side, and I guess it's their version of a type of sanction in which they're saying, well, hey, Instagram is making money from our citizens. They're cutting us off. The U.S. and U.S. companies are cutting us off from everything, so we're gonna cut something off too. And in that case, it happened to be Instagram.